Hello, gardeners! Radishes are fast-growing vegetables that can be a delightful addition to your garden. However, they need consistent moisture to develop tender, flavorful roots. In this video, we'll discuss the best practices for watering and caring for your radishes to ensure they thrive. We'll cover how often to water, the best times of day to do so, and tips for maintaining soil moisture. Stay tuned to learn how to grow the perfect radishes in your garden. Radishes grow quickly and need steady moisture to prevent them from becoming woody or overly spicy. Consistent watering ensures that the radishes develop a crisp, mild flavor that is enjoyable in salads and other dishes. If they dry out, they can develop a sharp, overly pungent flavor that some might find unappealing. Additionally, uneven moisture can cause the radishes to crack or split, making them less visually appealing and harder to store. Therefore, maintaining a regular watering schedule is crucial for growing healthy, tasty radishes that are both flavorful and visually appealing. Water radishes deeply once or twice a week, making sure the soil stays evenly moist. This is crucial for their development, as inconsistent watering can lead to split roots or poor growth. Early morning is the best time to water, allowing the plants to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. Adding a layer of mulch, such as straw or compost, helps retain moisture, especially during warm or dry spells. Mulch not only keeps the soil cool, but also suppresses weeds and promotes even growth. Regularly check the soil moisture by sticking your finger an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water again. Consistent care ensures healthy, vibrant radishes. With consistent watering and a bit of care, you'll enjoy mild, tender radishes all season. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening insights.